हाय फ्रेंड, नमस्कार। मैं विपुल इनकम टैक्स लॉ अपडेट में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। आज 25 सितंबर 2021 को मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस ने एक प्रेस रिलीज निकाला जिसमें उन्होंने कहा इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट कंडक्ट सर्चेज इन द प्रीमाइजेस ऑफ लीडिंग डायमंड मैन्युफैक्चरर एंड एक्सपोर्टर इन गुजरात, जिसमें फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजेक्शन ऑफ द रियल एस्टेट डील्स, इसमें डिटेक्शन ऑफ द अनअकाउंटेड इनकम ऑफ 80 करोड़ एंड सेल ट्रांजेक्शन ऑफ द शेयर, जिसमें डिटेक्शन ऑफ द unaccounted income of 81 crore and unaccounted cash and jewelry of 1.95 crore, unaccounted diamond stock of 8900 carat worth 10.98 crore. आइए देखते हैं स्टेट ऑफ द प्रेस रिलीज। The Income Tax Department carried out search and seizure operation on 22nd September 2021 on premises of a leading diamond manufacturer and exporter from Gujarat based on the intelligence input about tax evasion. Apart from the diamond premises, the group was also in the business of the manufacturing of the tiles. The operation covered 23 premises located in the Surat, Navsari, Morbi, Bikaner in Gujarat and Mumbai in Maharashtra. The highlight of the search includes seizure of the large volume of the unaccounted data seized in the paper as well as digital form, which was kept in at secret location under the custody of its trusted employees at Surat, Navsari, Mumbai. The data include proof of the unaccounted purchase, unaccounted sales, taking accommodation entries for the purchases against which cash is received, the movement of such cash and the stock through Angadia firms, keeping the unaccounted cash with Angadia's investment of such unaccounted income for purchase of property and stock, etc. for the last 5 years. The primary analysis of the data reveals that SSC has made unaccounted purchase and sale of a small polished diamond of about 518 crore over the period. Further, the data reveals that the SSC has sold more than 95 crore of the diamond as scrap in cash generated from its manufacturing activities, which remains unaccounted for and represents its income. The SSC over these years has accounted for sale of about 2,742 crore of the small diamond in its books, against which substantial part of the purchases were made in cash, but the purchase bills were taken from accommodation entry providers. Furthermore, the SSC was also making the major purchase of the rough diamond through imports and making export sales of the finished bigger diamond through its company registered in the Hong Kong, which is effectively controlled and managed from India only. The data revealed that the SSC has made purchase of 189 crore and sale of 1,040 crore in the last 2 years through this entity. During the search, the complete financial transaction of the real estate deals were found, which lead to the detection of the unaccounted income of 80 crore. Further, the sale transaction of the shares pertaining to the business of the tiles were examined, which lead to the detection of 81 crore of unaccounted income. During the search operation, unaccounted cash and jewelry of 1.95 crore has been seized, and unaccounted diamond stock of 8900 carat worth 10.98 crore has been detected so far. A large number of the lockers belonging to the group has been identified, which has been placed under restraint and will be operated in due course. The search operation is still continuing and further investigation are in progress. Thank you so much for watching this update.